I will be showing Furnace gameplay with 2 games. Cannon to cycle to Evo. See Giant Skeleton. I think he has some type of spam deck. Skeletons to cycle to Furnace. Berserker to help keep them in place for Furnace Splash. Mighty Miner high cause. I thought he had a clone. Cannon so Lumber gets pulled. Furnace takes out Bats and I go in with a drill for pressure. Insta takeout Ice Wizard. Goblin chip. He gave up so I'll speed it up. Game 2. Furnace back. He played his Witch. In the back also. Fireball to take Witch out quicker. Mighty Miner low, so I can place Skeletons to tank. Log to clean everything up. Drill and Berserker to tank for Furnace. Caught the Knight. Lots of damage. Skipped up, we both gaining elixir. Both played in the back. Fireball takes some health off the Witch. Little damage taken from Graveyard. Log plus Mighty Miner to take everything out. Double Furnace to be annoying. Furnace tanks for the drill. The splash with the double Furnace is crazy. I knew when I hard counter him, why he kept playing. Speeding it up here. If there are any Furnace decks you want me to try, put it in the comments. Like and follow for daily Clash Royale content.